Hi everyone! Today we are exploring Forklift, a powerful file manager and FTP client on Setapp. Unlike Finder, which only lets you view remote servers, Forklift lets you organize files on Mac and manage remote servers, making your workflow easier. In this Forklift Mac tutorial, we will show you how to use Forklift on your Mac and highlight why it's one of the best file transfer apps for Macs. Start from opening your Setapp desktop app and type in a Forklift on the search bar. And hit the install button. In just a few seconds, it will be ready to go. Once installed, you will see this dual panel interface. This layout is great for comparing folders side by side and can quickly drag and drop files between your locations. One of the Forklift's top app features is ability to connect to remote volumes and sync files. To connect, click on the connection button on the right top and select any of these services before hitting connect. Press the arrow in circle button next to connection, choose your sync settings and press synchronize. Whenever it's one-way or two-way syncing, two folders with over 100 files takes less than a second. Next, let's take a look how to manage your favorites to keep your go-to folders handy. Just like Finder, Forklift lets you add your favorite location to the sidebar, but with some extra features. You can sync your favorites across the Mac path, create favorite groups, and set your workspaces with multiple tags. To manage this, click Favorites on the top and choose any one of the options from the drop-down menu. Forklift has an activity view and a log view. While the activity view shows real-time updates like syncing and file moves, the log view located next to it shows a detailed history for all your recent actions. Lastly, Forklift lets you integrate with other Setapp apps to save your time. For example, you can easily send files directly to Permute for conversions. Just click on desired folder, choose Services, and add file to Permute. So it's a simple way to convert or crop without leaving Forklift. So that was a quick tour of Forklift with its features. It's a must-have tool for simpler file management. Plus, there is a 7-day trial available. Head to Setapp to download Forklift today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button for the app guides. See you next time!